Is there a key first step to help an organization start to tackle portfolio prioritization and effective pipelining of projects?
We do this all the time, and I was thinking of a meeting I had this morning where we were discussing this. You have to. It really depends on what level of how aware people are of the situation, how the top management is aware or not about what's happened, and if they are not aware of the level of madness they've got themselves into, what we do to convince them that they have to clean up their portfolio is just to show how bad the traffic jam is, right? How constipated the portfolio is by looking at how many of the projects have moved by how much over the past 3 months or 1 year, right? We look at the portfolio today and compare it to the portfolio 1 year ago, and they say, wow, do you mean that those 4 projects haven't moved an inch in 1 year? Yeah. And we do a Little's Law calculation. We did this again for one of our clients last week, right? The number of projects you have and the number of projects you finish per year, okay? They had 36 R&D projects in their portfolio, right? And they were finishing 3 projects a year, right? Little's Law says 36 divided by 3, 12. That means on average, you take 12 years to do a project, okay? They say, oh, that's a problem because technology is moving so fast. We'll be selling obsolete technology if this carries on, right? So you have to, a lot of this work is immaterial, right? So people don't realize how bad it's got. So we often use things like Little's Law or some examples to show them, they've killed their portfolio. It's dead. It's not moving. It's finished. And once they realize that it's that bad, then they open up and they can accept to freeze projects. It hurts, right? It hurts a lot, right? And maybe that's one of the things where myself and my team help by being impartial arbitrators between the different departments, the different technologies, the different geographies. How important is the Chinese market compared to this technology, to whatever, because when you've got 4 times too many projects in the portfolio, it's going to be quite a fight to go from 40 to 10, right? It needs courage and clear thinking, and try and stay on top of it to move ahead. So it's a very good question. It's not that easy in some organizations because it's got so bad, right? And the cleanup is violent. There's going to be a lot of blood on the walls. Okay. But if it's not, I hope I'm scared everybody on putting it that way. Quite often, people realize what's going on and know, and are open to freeing up projects. And the good thing is, it's within a month or a couple of months. It's so obvious, the change in environment and the change in pace and the change in results between a constipated portfolio with everything stuck in a traffic jam, and the day you clear up and you start rolling and moving along, you go, wow, it happens to all of us on the road, doesn't it? Yeah, you've been for 3 hours, you've been in a traffic jam in the sun, and suddenly it's over, and off you go, and you start speeding up, and off you go, and your smile comes back, right? Think to the day that you're going to come out of your traffic jam.